Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Penney credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into Penney credit card, open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box at the top, type in www.jcpcreditcard.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in this page where you can access your account by entering your credentials. Since your Penney credit card is issued by Synchrony Bank, you'll need to go enter your credential in the text boxes. Go ahead and type in your user ID in the first text box and head over to the next field and type in your password. You can double check your password by clicking the show link or the eye icon, and this will help you reveal your password. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, click on Remember User ID box beneath. Leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device. Finally, after you are done entering your credential, click on the Secure Login button and you'll be able to log into your Penney credit card online. Thank you for watching the video till the end. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Keep watching.